Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install a ditch light mount on a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. So come on, let's begin. Sa Forge Garage, binabago ang gabi. Alright, so again, these are the ditch light mount for a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. And these are from Car Trim Home. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. As you saw on my previous videos, I install a similar style of bracket on the RAV4, on the 5th gen RAV4. So if you want to watch that, I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, so you can also purchase those at Car Trim Home. So with this one, we're just gonna check here what we have. So it's, again, this will be very similar. These are nice heavy duty aluminum. There's a block of aluminum in here. So as you see here, so they're really nice. They have the slider also. If you want to use the slider, you can use that here in the top or here on the side. So you can do a double mount on your ditch light, and this will basically eliminate the need of installing your ditch light in your hood. So usually our ditch light are using the ditch light bracket that are on the hood. So again, these are really nice. So it comes with a double-sided tape. So I suggest that you use a heat gun to warm the surface where you're gonna stick this, and also the double-sided tape. I suggest that you also warm this. Make sure also that you clean this at least with the isopropyl alcohol. Make sure that this is clean and basically out of any oily stuff. So we have our hardware in here. Okay, they included the Allen keys and the ball mount in here. So that's nice. And we have our brackets that attach to the vehicle. These are coded. So it says here, has a code TKMR. So it means it goes to the right side. Same thing with this one. It has an R2 here in the end. So it goes here on the right. This one. There you go. So this one doesn't really screw anywhere into the vehicle, but it is secured because it has this U-shaped bracket in here. So that will help it to be secured. So it will have double-sided tape. Then it will be screwed in here. And it will go in between of the panel. So I'll show you later. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wipe this down with some isopropyl alcohol and then warm it with my heat gun. Same with the double-sided tape. And we're just going to apply this. Basically just one panel here or one tape here. And then probably we're going to end up using two tape here, or probably we can just use one here. And then we're just going to apply whatever we get here in here. All right. But if you want to basically put a lot of double-sided tape just for security purposes, you can actually just put the whole thing. And then they gave you like generous amount. I think they gave you like what, six strips of double-sided tape. So yeah, so that will be helpful. So if you want to do it this way, I think this will be better. Yeah, if it's taped in like that, you'll actually maximize the tape. Okay, so probably 3 strips all the way in like that. That will be nice. And basically just cut them into size since you'll have this. So, and also as you see this cutout in here, this cutout is for cable. So if you have a cable that actually works basically in this one, you can just route them in here. But typically we don't. We'll see if it fits, then we can just route it in here. So route the cable and then here in the back. So yeah, so basically this is where the hood, all right, then it's gonna come inside, then it's gonna go at the back to the plug, all right. So yeah, so again, I'm just gonna stick the tape, all right. Be right back. All right, so we managed to put on the tape now. So what we need to do next is we're going to clean the surface on the vehicle just to make sure that this will adhere properly. And then from there, we will see how we're gonna install this. Again, this is a U-shaped bracket and it will just hook up on the panel, on the inside panel of the vehicle, and it will get secured in there. And then we're just gonna uh, bolt them in there. So this is for the right, so we need the left. So again, they are coded, so we just need to secure it with the included hardware in here. So after we stick it, or probably before we stick it, we're gonna find the location where this actually hooked up, and then we'll see the best location or for the proper fitment on it. All right, so this should be very straightforward, very easy. Again, just clean all of the surfaces that you're gonna stick this, and I guess it won't really fall because it is a U-shaped bracket in here. It will hooked up to the panel, so it won't fall. So again, these are the basically the double-sided tape here will hold it, all right, and then with the brackets for extra security, peace of mind that they won't fall. All right, so again, let's go in the vehicle. I'll clean it up and I'll show you basically sticking this in there. All right, so just clean the area. We're gonna install the ditch light mount. So again, I wipe this with isopropyl alcohol and then I mark it. So all we need to do now is install the bracket itself. All right, so you just need to slide this in. So we're gonna start from the front, hook this front bracket, and then slide it into place. So find the actual location that you mark with, then make sure it sits. Then we're going to remove the double-sided tape. All right, so we're going to install this one now. Double-sided tape has been removed. So we're gonna start here from the front. Then we're gonna slide it. We just need to hook that thing down. Okay, so just need to follow our mark. Don't press it down. Make sure it will sit flush before pressing down. So as you see there, I did not press it. So you want to make sure that there's no gap. Okay, and then once you're set on its place, we just need to screw this. So right now it is pressed on and I don't see any gap in the back or in the front, so I'm just applying pressure to it. So now we just need to put on the brackets here in the back. So this one we just need to hook this in here. And once we hook that, we just need to screw it. And basically that's it. All we need to do is just secure the screws in here. Then from there, we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Again, this is very easy to do. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. It's going to be from Car Trim Home. So if you want to use my discount, it's going to be FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. So there you go. Then just tighten it. And then we're going to install the light, and I'll show you how this one looks like after we install the passenger side. All right, so here we go. We already installed our lights. They are mounted properly. We actually moved the antenna from up there down here. So yeah, so this one is mounted this way. We just temporarily installed it this way. We still need to rotate the lens of this light to get the proper output. So we might get another set of lights to put it here in the top. So yeah, so it looks nice. I'll show you the other side. So here's the other side. It looks nice. So doing it this way avoids basically the lights, the ditch light, getting out of your line of sight if that's an issue with you. So again, it's more versatile, more light option to put on here, because you don't have to worry about the light hitting your windshield when you open up the hood. Again, the possibilities are endless with this one. You can have a combination of an antenna bracket on the side and then a light on the top. So again, that's nice. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. These are from Car Trim Home. So if you want to use my discount code, it's going to be FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. Again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.